Hi there, here is the newly launched 32-inch Nokia Smart TV. Now it has features I've never heard on any 32-inch TV. Are you ready? 2GB RAM, 16GB internal storage, 39-watt sound output by Onkyo with Dolby Atmos support, and the cherry on the cake, Dolby Vision. It's simply jaw-dropping. Now maybe there are some high-end TVs that might have 2GB of RAM, but the rest of these features are unheard of on any 32-inch TV. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any that you know. Now this one is priced at 17,999, which seems like an absolute steal for those specs. But we've got to see it for ourselves, so let's quickly unbox it, we'll see how it performs, and I'll let you know if it's worth your money or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the 32-inch Nokia TV. Now I was kind of surprised the box was a little damaged from the top. I guess it must have happened in transit, but luckily, thanks to the thermocol inside, the TV wasn't damaged. It's pretty well protected, so you don't have to worry. Then you can see the Nokia 32-inch Smart TV written on the top left, sound by Onkyo at the bottom right, Chromecast, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos logo on the bottom left. It comes with 1-star energy rating. On the side are some manufacturing details, made in India, the contents of the box, and MRP, which is 24,999. Alright, let's open it up. So here's everything that you get inside the box, starting with the quick start guide, instruction manual. You can go through this before you get started. Then you have two metal stands. Yes, these are solid metal stands. They have this nice silver grey finish, powder coating. It also comes with rubber at the base, which gets a good grip on the table. Now this is the same rod design that we've seen with other Nokia TVs as well. Really nice. Also worth mentioning, very rarely have I seen any 32-inch TV provide metal stands. So this is one thing which Nokia has done really nice. Then you have 4 screws to mount the stands, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and here's the remote itself. Now this is a combination of Bluetooth and infrared, pretty light and easy to use. You have the D-pad, power button, home button, Google Assistant button, volume button, and you have shortcut keys for Netflix, YouTube, Google Play and Prime Videos. I would have preferred Disney Hotstar, but never mind, it's pretty good. You have an AV composite adapter. Now this is going to be helpful for those who have set-top boxes that lack an HDMI port. Really helpful. Also, you get a metal wall mount bracket included in the packaging. Now it's really nice that they've included this in the box. It's really good that Nokia has taken the effort to provide everything that is important. So we have fixed the stands and the frame is protected with a plastic film to prevent scratches. There's a tag on the left side mentioning some of its key features. So we have removed the plastic and that's a really nice design. It comes with slim bezels on 3 sides, flat design though, but since they're glossy, they do attract some fingerprints and smudges. But overall clean. Here are the dimensions of the TV, 29 inches by 18 inches. Will be helpful for those looking for a TV with limited space. The bottom bezel houses the front-firing speakers. It has a grille design with Nokia branding in the center and Sound by Nokia written on the extreme right. My favorite part of the design are the silver metal stands. They look terrific. Stylish yet sturdy. At the bottom are 5 physical buttons that will help you navigate when you don't have the remote handy. It's really cool. Let's check out the back. So it's really solid and very well built. All the ports are on one side, which makes it easier to reach even if the TV is wall mounted. Right from the top is the LAN input, optical, AV input, antenna, HDMI port, dual USB-A port, 3.5 headphone jack, and 2 HDMI ports. So the HDMI 1 port supports eARC, so you can connect it to your home theater system or soundbar that supports ARC, and it will also pass through Dolby Atmos. Great. Also, one of the 2 USB-A ports supports 3.0, so faster transfer speeds while playing content from your pen drive. Now if I had to nitpick, the only problem I see here is that how close these ports are placed to each other. A little distance between them would have just been better. But again, the TV has all the ports you need, even USB 3.0, so it's almost perfect. Alright, let's have a quick look at the specifications. Realtek quad-core processor, HD ready V8 display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. 300 nits peak brightness, comes with 2 GB of RAM with 16 GB internal storage, Dolby Vision support, two-way Bluetooth. It's such an underrated feature, by the way. Then there's dual band Wi-Fi, and trust me, very rarely do we see this in 32-inch TVs, but we get that here. Then 39 watts sound output by Onkyo with Dolby Atmos support, and it's running the latest Android TV 11 OS. Alright, let's turn it on. So as we boot it up, we see the Nokia TV branding, followed by the new Android TV 11 animation. Follow the setup process and it should be done in a couple of minutes. And there we go, we're set up and ready to use. So we have a typical Android TV interface, apps row on the top and the content row below. The first thing to notice is that because it has more RAM, it doesn't lag a bit. It's really smooth. So first thing we do is to go into the settings, device preferences, about, and here down you can see the TV is running the latest Android TV 11 OS, which is great. Alright, let's check out the storage as well. And you have 8.3 GB of usable space. So out of 16 GB, you have 8.3 GB, which is good enough to install tons of apps and games. Coming back to the home page, you can see we have Netflix, Fastcast, Smart Player, that is the default media player, Prime Videos, YouTube, Google Play. Let's go into the app launcher and we can see Netflix. So the Fastcast app is basically designed by Nokia TVs, and this is basically for mirroring Android and iPhones. The first page tells you the supported apps for Chromecast, so content from all of these apps can be casted directly without any third-party apps. Then there is Phone Share, you can use this for iPhone, check this out. And there you go, mirrored the iPhone using AirPlay from the control center. It's quite smooth, good enough to share pictures, presentations and short videos on the TV. Then there's the Localcast app. Download the Fastcast app from the App Store and you can mirror your Android phone and actually even content from your phone directly to the TV, which is amazing. Further, you can even mirror your Windows PC and a hotspot option as well. Coming back, you have Smart Player, which is the default media player. We'll come to it. Prime Videos, YouTube, Google Play. Now this is something that I truly love about Nokia devices. Now this one comes with two-way Bluetooth, and the benefit of that is that the first way is that the regular way you can connect your favorite pair of Bluetooth earphones, headphones or even to a Bluetooth soundbar. But the second one is super interesting. You can actually connect the TV speakers to your phone's Bluetooth, and then you can play music from your phone to the TV speakers. Check this out. Now this music is actually playing from the TV speakers. You can even control it. You can pause, you can play, you can go to the next track. There you go. This two-way Bluetooth feature is one of the most underrated feature of any smart TV. It's just amazing. Alright, time to check out the display. So here's a 4K video playing on YouTube, and to my biggest surprise, it was actually playing at 4K 60 FPS with HDR. Yes, playing a 4K video without any lag on a 32-inch HD TV. Now the video looked crystal clear, and even though the TV doesn't have the pixels for true 4K, the sharpness is definitely noticeable. The color reproduction is quite good. It's tuned to look more natural and easy on the eyes. Also worth mentioning, it gets bright enough thanks to the 300 nits of peak brightness, which is good enough for a TV this size. Now the blacks aren't the deepest, but thanks to micro dimming, they are pretty decent. Here's a demo video showing the contrast. Bright whites and deepest blacks in one frame. There's no halo effect and no light bleed was noticed around the edges. Now even though this is a VA panel, I didn't notice any drastic shift of color and tone. Maybe a slight, but it's almost negligible. Overall, I'd rate the viewing experience of the Nokia 32-inch TV very impressive. Alright, time to check out some sample videos from the pen drive, and again, 4K videos played just perfectly. It barely took a second for the videos to load. Even scrubbing through them was fast and easy. Now I tested various formats of 4K videos and they all worked without any problem. By the way, here's a quick comparison of the same video in full HD and 4K. Now this is full HD and here is 4K. There is a noticeable difference in clarity and detail. Now I know a 4K video has more data, so there will be more detail, but even on an HD ready display, you can see the difference. So glad to say that you can actually play your 4K videos on this TV. Coming to Dolby Vision, and what better way to check than Netflix itself. Now this TV has surprised me so many times that I'm at loss of words. You can see the Dolby Vision logo next to the movie's name. Yes, Dolby Vision is supported on this HD ready 32-inch TV. Just amazing. Now I played this 4K video and it played instantly without any problem. And not only that, it also looks amazing. So fans of Dolby Vision, you can play all your Dolby Vision content on this TV and go crazy. So time to check out the setup box. And here are some HD channels and they look pretty good. They're clear and totally viewable even if you're sitting close to the TV. Though I won't recommend that, but yeah, it's quite nice. Here are some HD channels and goes without saying, they look even clearer and provide so much more detail. Amazing experience. Rest the TV also comes with the Play Store from where you can download over 5,000 Android TV apps and games. Streaming apps like Sony Live, ZEE5, Disney Hotstar, Voot are all available to download from here. If you go to the Games tab, again there's a huge collection. However, some games might need a gamepad while some can be played using the TV's remote. Now I'm playing the basic car racing game and it works pretty well. It's pretty decent for casual gaming. So this Nokia 32-inch TV comes with Onkyo speakers, 24-watt box speakers and 15-watt tweeters, giving you a total of 39 watts. Time for a demo.
I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up, here I'll never let the doubt creep in, gotta pop a couple more aspirin, I don't think I'll ever let you win, easier to break it off best friends.
Wow, that was something. So the audio fidelity is actually really nice for TV speakers. They also get loud enough to fill a medium-sized room. The tweeters really help provide that sharpness and instrument separation, especially when you're watching a movie. Also, the bass is quite good. Not like a subwoofer kind of a bass, but better than any TV speakers, for sure. Now, one thing I can vouch for is that the audio on this TV won't let you down. In fact, it's really impressive. Now actually I talk about cons here, but really for a 32-inch TV with all those specs and excellent performance, it's really hard to say anything. But if I had to nitpick, it would have been great if this 32-inch TV had a full HD panel. That would have been something else. Anyway, this is a really good TV and it takes more than you can ask for. Seriously, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB storage, 4K video support, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, 39-watt Onkyo soundbar, Android 11, two-way Bluetooth, और बोलो आपको क्या चाहिए? It's just amazing. You can buy this 32-inch Nokia TV from Flipkart for just 17,999. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Trust me, this one I don't even need to tell you. It's aankh band karke le lo device. Seriously. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.